This is now the exterior at 72 Sawmill Road. They have a bit of a hobby farm here. So there's several goats. They're really not very shy. They like to have their pictures taken. And you can see the beautiful mountain view behind us here. There's still a lot of debris that's going to be burned when the weather conditions are right for that. So those piles will be cleaned up. Likewise, the fencing, the little kennel here for the hay storage, all that stuff will be gone. You'll just be left with the raw land, so don't be turned off by the debris. Now, over here, I'm walking towards the house, but between the goat pen and the house, there is a bit of a culvert, sort of a swale happens. So there's, I'm trying to get my hands free here, don't mind me. Go. There's a bit of a gully right through there. So you're probably not going to be able to get one continuous lawn from the house over to here just because of that natural drainage that's happening. Across the street, this is just a little cabin. This is not a residence. And the rest of the road is just a trail. So Sawmill Road in Bennington is at the far end of that, but you can't get there from here, not with driving. This is only a trail, not a drivable road, okay? So we're going to swing around here. And head up to the house. So as I mentioned in the interior video, this is a privately maintained road. So the owner does grade and plow what they need to get to their driveway. So from where my car is just parked up there in front of the neighbor's house, and that is South Stream Road right there. So it's really a very short distance that needs to be privately maintained for you to get in and out of here. So you can see they dropped more fresh stone here to help with the water runoff. And then they also just installed the driveway yesterday, so it's super fresh gravel here. I'm going to show you that there are 3 sheds on the property, and then I'll take you down to the river. So this first shed is really a chicken coop. Oh, we're gonna hear some chickens. It has not been cleaned out yet, so don't judge. It's an active coop. Hi, chickies. So there's a pen here, and then there's another one back there. It's a very cool building that the owners built themselves. I love the styling of this. I believe this was all made with timber here on the property. There's a little concrete pad right there at the entryway. So there's a lot more fencing and debris and things back here. It will all be gone. Just showing you that this has a metal roof. Okay. And then we will go around. So shed number 2 is this plastic, like Rubbermaid shed. Fits a lot of stuff. And then the last shed is another wooden structure. And this one is currently just being used for storage, but this is actually livable. It is powered, it is heated, has the same, sorry, not the same, but a nice finished floor in here. There's electrical panel. There's even solar power here. I'll show you on the outside where that solar is. This is just a window. Okay. So if you needed a tiny house, this actually comes with one. This is actually livable. Roosters are loud today. Okay. It's got its own propane tanks there. And see if I can get out here. Yep, and show you there's the solar panels. I might be able to climb up a little higher. So there's just a shelf of storage back here, some amazing boulders that have been excavated during construction. And there's another bit of a swale here. And now let's go check out the river. I'm calling it a river, but it's really a stream. This is all the South Stream. Take you out back to the water. See again, there's like a boulder border. And this property line meanders because it is following along the edge of the stream. Waterfront, definitely not flood zone. You have a great elevation here. You can walk right on down to it if you'd like. It's a nice big deep spot right here, a few feet deep, where you can cool off in the summertime with a mountain view backdrop. So last notes here, we've got the septic in the back. Leach field has been marked out in the front there, just before the driveway, all vinyl siding and windows. And there you also can see that upgraded skirting, which is incredible for the energy efficiency. All those negative 20-degree days that we had, they had no issues here. So it's a beautiful property. Can't wait for someone to come buy it.